My name is Xavier. I went to Aviation Institute of Maintenance, graduated back in 2016. Currently work at Aviation Technical Services in Kansas City, Missouri. Actually, I live down the street from here, and I used to ride my bike past there a lot, and I used to see the planes outside. So I ended up coming here one day. I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna get through this program. 2 years later, I got through the program. Used to live down the street, and I just walked in one day. It was like, here I am, man. Aviation Technical Services came here, and it was like, we're taking people here. We like this school. We need any graduates to come down there, and we have an opportunity for you to proceed in the aircraft career. So I was like, oh. And it helped me get on. They were like, dang, man, you already know what you're doing. I was like, I know, like, I did this in school. This is there for you. This is here. You know what I'm saying? It's right here. All you gotta do is go do it.